Got SG.
Alright,
over there.
I think we're going to get rolling here.
Jay.
Thank you guys so much for coming. My name is Sarah.
Paige.
I'm our social media manager. And I'm
Plumber Paige.
marketing manager for Ranch Tool.
Snow King.
And as you all know, we do an annual social media meetup every single AHR. But this year we wanted to do something a little bit different, and we're doing a skills competition. So we pre-selected 6 participants, and they are going to be competing in a timed installation challenge. So they're going to have 10 minutes to complete a lovely Viga install, and they're going to be judged based off of speed, accuracy, and technique. So following the proper pipe preparation, right, marking their fittings, following the blueprint, making sure it's square, level, plumb, all of those awesome things.
What's going on, brother? All right, how are you?
Good. Introduce these teams. Let's do it. So our first team up here, we have Team Blair and Bob. Let's give it up for Blair and Bob. And then everyone turn your attention to this table over here to the right. Oh, we weren't supposed to do that yet. Awesome, it's okay. That's okay.
Do it again.
Put it down. We got Pat, and we got Aiden over here. Let's give it up. And then in this back table over here, we've got Joey and we've got Rob.
Let's go, Joey!
So make sure to watch all of the competitors. Don't just stay up here, walk around, see all of the action. All right, so Maddie, there's a lot on the line here. Do you want to tell the crowd what these guys could win?
Yes,
SG.
so much on the line right now.
Woo!
Will win a brand new RP 251 for the latest press tool release we just came out with. It will come with 1/2 inch to 1 inch jaws and a bunch of Viga fittings.
You got room where you need more?
Yep.
You're good, you're good.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Lots.
Yes. Definitely. So we're going to reveal what they're making soon if you didn't see that over there. But we also want to introduce our competition MCs. We have Mr. Tyler Dines HVAC. And we've got Cat Plumbing and Heating, Travis.
Joy!
So they are going to be providing play-by-play commentary for you guys so you don't miss a beat of the action. I'm very excited.
You need a hat? You good? You got a hat already? Can I scan you?
Right, so are you
Yeah,
guys
we're good,
ready
we're
to
good,
see
we're
what
good.
they're building? Okay, do you want to do that again? What you just did?
I forgot your name again, Rodolfo. I'm gonna remember it one of these times.
It's all good, brother.
Woo! Mickey Mouse, Orlando themed.
Yeah, I'm doing this
Mickey
one.
Mouse, pretty cool.
I don't forget.
All right, so without further ado, I think we're going to hand our mics over to Travis and Tap and let them count us down.
Let's go! Woo!
Hello, everybody. All right, are you guys ready to get started? Yeah. We got a countdown clock? We're going to do a countdown starting from 5.
Let's go! Let's go!
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go, Joey! Let's go! Woo!
Get organized. All right, let's see what another team is doing.
We need a theme song going.
Eye of the tiger or something.
Let's go.
Something.
Look at that Piper pipe press. It's all about the pipe press.
All right, one down. Let's go.
I saved my coin from
already getting started. You're doing good. Nice fitting there. What's your strategy here? That's what they're making.
Absolutely. I don't know. Do they have to sand these fittings or mark them? I'm just asking.
Yes.
You press good? Okay. Sarah's pressed everything for us. Okay, these guys are preparation.
Orlando 2025 AHR.
Everybody, excuse me. Contact. Let me in. Let's go, Joey. All these guys are off to a good start. They've already done their transitional fitting, moving on to copper. Sorry, give everybody swag. How much experience does Rob have? Pressed a lot? Every day. Have that boy. Every day.
Oh, these guys look so much more advanced.
How's table one doing? Where's Bob?
There's some experience here.
How you doing over there, Bob?
These guys are pretty experienced over here.
Attaboy.
These guys are planning to win, and they got proper flight prep.
Make sure 610 isn't over there stealing fittings. You know how he is.
That is an awesome blueprint, you guys.
That's what they're making.
Let's go, Team Three. All right.
Let's go!
Joey and Rob, looking good. Looking good. They got half Mickey Mouse done. All right.
Got ears up over there.
All right, I'm going to go check on Bob. See how Bob and Blair are doing. I'll wander over there.
We're missing 6s.
12?
This is 2 inches short. We don't have 5.
That's got to come out.
Yeah, that was just, yeah, I said really slow.
There you go.
I said, yeah, good move.
Let me walk over here and see. All right, let me check on.
I don't think so. Everything should be.
If you're calling for 2 cutters, we're moving on to another table.
We check on Pat. No cameras, no cameras. Cameras.
Is it going? Team 2?
How are you making out, Pat?
We got Pat and Aiden.
Magicians and the technique.
I actually like their technique over here. What is this, table 2? Or we call
By
this
the way,
3?
this is a 5-minute warning. 5-minute warning, not to rush you guys.
Halfway there, everybody.
I'll switch sides.
I know I don't hear any pressing happening on any tables.
Actually, they got some pressure.
You heard a grip? We got one grip.
At the AHR competition at Vega.
Joe and Rob.
Oh, I don't think so. Sarah, are we missing pieces here? Double check this. What we have here is we have a second press base.
You got screwed again.
Transitional fitting.
Sorry, man.
What we're going to do is we're going to do a big octagonal circle with a pure flow bunny here. Or sorry, Mickey Mouse here. Disney.
There's my buddy. I'm doing it too.
Yeah, use that other hand for that.
All right, let's go, Joe and Rob.
You got who?
Getting close.
They're getting taller, that's for sure.
They're getting close. Heard some pressing earlier.
Sorry.
Are you missing fittings too?
9 to 10.
I don't know. They weren't asking for a.
They need a 2-cutter too,
They
apparently.
weren't asking for a 2-big cutter, so they're doing better already.
Pipe doesn't match the drum. Then you can get a cookie cutter. They're still waiting on a piece.
Oh, they are asking for it.
I'm not sure if they're at that stage yet over there. Do they miss the fittings too, or everyone does?
Press our adapters.
Let's look at the other table. How you doing, brother?
All right, take the measurements.
Got the Viga
Get
stickers.
those shots. Progress is slowing down. We're looking for fittings. I hear a press tool. Let's go in. Watch your fingers.
Aiden is on a hunt for that press tool.
Yeah.
All right, we need to check out on. Oh, here we go.
Might need to give that just a little bit of a, just a little bit out. It might.
All right,
Let's check up on Pat.
Hey Bob, how are you making out, man?
Excuse me, sir. You got Pat, Aiden. And they're going off of this
What an easy squat.
chart right here.
Rigid makes it easy.
I don't even think this is hard. Oh, this is hard, honestly.
Way to help them out.
So they're doing the chart.
Not the dry bags.
No, he's moving on. Maybe he's got something in from that trip. That looks like he's just outside. Very symmetrical boys. Okay, yeah, how long do we have here?
Doing the little thing over there.
Excellent teamwork.
Fine, we're going to give these guys an additional 5 minutes. Everybody's doing good. A couple miscommunication. We're missing some fittings, but we're overcoming it.
Time on the clock for everybody.
So they're moving. How's the table?
Let's find out.
Sorry, it's hard to see. We're going to be fine.
Just people
Sure, there you guys. Don't mind me. How you making out, fellas?
Very good. Teammate in the pad, doing good.
Doing good. Keep moving. Travis, do you think you'd be done if you were doing it by now? You think you'd be done if you were doing it?
Well, not to brag or anything, but maybe not.
These guys are definitely taller by now. Oh,
Here it goes, guys.
Pressure's on.
Don't forget, it's not about speed, it's about installation.
No mistakes either. Focus. Excuse me, everybody. Slow down. Oh, it's a little off. What happened? This one looks a little shorter than that one. Who prepped all this? Oh, the other table might be catching up soon.
It's almost as if someone gave you wrong stuff on purpose.
Being a sabotage.
Got it.
It was definitely the two press masters.
You sent it to the wrong one.
There you go, Joey.
Joey Ross, pick it up. Oh,
Oh, we got more bunny. We got more ears happening over there.
Just down here.
Over here, back to Pat and Aiden.
they're marking insertion.
Everybody's got a listen. We've got 2 sets of pure flow. Ears open. Good job, fellas. 7.
Getting close, and then
some jiving here. There you go. That little fingers.
There you go.
No, you're good, you're good.
Keep pushing forward, fellas. How's Bob and Blair doing?
Thank you so much.
No, if you want,
They're doing?
you got it.
Nice, get those connections pressed.
Let's go, fellas.
You better hurry up, Bob and Blair. Pat and Nate are getting pretty close.
They're getting close. And
They're getting close. I
So is
see
Joe and Rob.
Joey and Rob are really got to get their ears going though.
Now they may need a stool for to get the ears out.
I think Aiden's only got a few more presses to do. Make sure you run through them and make sure you get them all because you will deduct the points from that. Is everything marked, fellas?
Fire!
Watch your fingers, please. Speed is key. Very nice. What a swap. So quick. Is that just about it? Run through it before you put your shoulder. Check it out. Good, good, good. Burn through. We might be almost done, guys.
Go,
Everybody
Joey.
else better hurry up. Is that it? Tools down? What's going on? Are you finished or not?
Keep going, fellas.
Are you
Keep going.
done? Keep going. Okay, we've got a table finished here.
That's only half the battle.
Well, check it. Are we going to go through everything?
Keep going. Make sure you're finishing depth.
Keep going.
I'm not too sure what to say, guys. How about this? Did you press
They
everything?
got measurement issues over there. But keep going, Joe. You guys are good.
We won't talk about how straight it is or if everything is in line, but we have two ears. We have our bronze transitional fitting. We have our Mega Press base that was pre-made. It is it's looking pretty good for my house. Somebody had one shoe on building this. Okay, it was the guy holding the blueprints. Absolutely. Absolutely. Why is it like that?
Because they have someone holding blueprints straight, I think.
Good job, Joey. Okay. Are they done on table one? They seem confused.
I think their Mickey Mouse had one too many at the bar. If Mickey Mouse
Sorry
wanted to
guys,
fall
I'm
down
sneaking
some
in here. I
stairs.
don't want to get everybody shot, but I have to judge. How many more do we have? It's looking pretty good, actually. Swap. Look at that. Look how easy that is, everybody. Is it even work if it's this much fun? Make sure that's.
Let's go, Joey. Let's go.
Push. You're in. You're in.
Keep your hands to yourself, Tyler.
You're in. If it's not, press it anyway. Then we're going to switch back. You're going to need your half-inch copperhead in a second. Push. Press. Very good.
Don't worry, that someone beats you guys already.
Yeah, that was a couple minutes ago, but this one is looking a lot better.
This one looks like a silver Mickey Mouse.
There you go. There
Okay,
you
switch to
go.
happen. We're on the final stretch, fellas. 1 minute left, everybody.
1 minute.
We're finally calling it.
Full insertion.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3 more to go. Done. Here you go, Joey. Get that. I'd love to help you, but I can't. You don't need it. You don't need the help. You don't need the help.
That's it.
You guys did that one right. Oh yeah, it's all great. Is that one done? It is.
Nope, not done yet. Got it.
No, I think they started with that one. Are we getting close? We must be getting
It's
close.
gonna
I
be
can't see
neck
the
and
time.
neck. It's gonna be neck and neck.
40 seconds.
Done.
Table two.
Woo!
Really good, Joey.
Raise it high, baby. There you go.
Run through it. We're good.
Joey Rob, what do we got
Pressed,
there,
we're
Tyler?
pressed, we're marked. Pressed. Very nice. Done. It's looking very good.
All right,
This
we're
is
gonna do
looking
the
really good, fellas.
19.
18. I'm happy with this one.
15 seconds.
Team 2!
Go.
Two might have it here, guys.
This is the winner, man.
You're almost at 8.
Right here.
7.
This is looking good. This is a Joey job. This is Joey's job.
Yeah.
Impressed everybody?
All right, Joey.
Good job, guys.
Way to go, team.
All right, brother.
There we go.
Really straight.
Ready for the parade.
Hey, John, let me get you guys a picture.
You know what? It's a different shape than we're supposed to do, but I think you're all right. You got to deal with what you have, right? It's all right. No, you did good.
This looks like Mickey Mouse if it came from the island.
Joey, let me see them guns, Joey. Let me see them. There you go. Woo! All right, brother. Congratulations.
Good job, everybody.
Very nice.
Everybody made it through without any bloodshed.
Oh, I'm sorry, brother.
Excellent job. All competitors. Does everyone stay at your table?